I want to go back to this last question, and I want to ask this. In the event, unfortunately, that after you've seen this great video, you've been informed, and you fail to get a will, or you fail to make sure your assets are secure with a will or trust, what happens if an individual dies and they didn't have a will and they got all of these properties, or they just have their one home and they don't have a spouse or anyone or children? Like, even if they have that, like, what happens?
Well, then the state decides what the interest of property were.
So what does that mean, Ryan?
These are called the laws of intestate succession. And when someone dies with property, the state gets to say who the heirs are, and it's in relation with how close they were to the decedent. So if you died and you are, a lot of folks think that your spouse gets everything at your death.
Right.
That's not the law in any state.
That is a misconception.
Okay. That is a big myth. What it is the spouse would have a share, any children would have a share, and then any children of deceased children would also have a share and step into the place where their parent would have taken. So it can be very complicated. I had a closing last week where there were 8 heirs and there was an estranged spouse. These folks had been split up for more than 32 years. She had not seen her husband.
Not divorced?
Not divorced, did not get a divorce. And what a surprise to the children that had to take care of this man for the last several years, that the wife has ownership and has to sign off on everything. They didn't even know where she was. And boom, she gets 1/8 of that estate. So it's something that those are loose ends that you don't want to leave.
Wow.